Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So in this workout I will do a yoga routine, a full body yoga routine that is basically Vinayasana, and that is a cardio based yoga. So let's do it. Sitting on your foot like this, folding forward, stretching, neck up, holding this position for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fold forward to Cobra like this. Slowly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. Doing this 5 times. 1. Great. 2. Back. 3. 4. 5. 3. Coming to all fours now. Hands under your shoulder, knees under your hips. Okay. Now doing cat and cow pose like this, stretching up and stretch down. Inhale up, exhale out. 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Holding this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now pushing your toes and come to downward dog like this. Stretching like this. Touching your heels alternatively. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Stretching the back, coming forward. Back. Stretching. Doing 5 of these. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Push down. Now pull up to downward dog. Folding the knees, come to on your foot. Okay. So we will do a Cobra Flow now. For that I have to fall down, come to downward dog like this, falling forward to Cobra like this. Now pushing your toes, come back to downward dog, folding the knees, fall back and get up. This will be counted as 1. We will do 5 of these. Great for your belly, your hips, your back and your legs as well as your hands. So this is a full body yoga. So let's do it. Fold forward, up to downward dog, fall down to Cobra, stretching it, push down, knees folded, fall and up. 1, 2, good, 2, 3, 4, 3 completed. Now 4. Good. Last but not the least, 5. Back. Great job. Now I will raise up to warrior. For that, fold forward, coming to downward dog. Now, right foot forward like this, left foot tilted, raise up like this. This is warrior 1. Watching your thumb like this. Hands would be shoulder length. Extend, release, good. 10 of these, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down, pushing your leg to the back, coming to downward dog, folding and relax. Repeating the same with the left leg. Fold forward, get up, carefully left leg forward, right leg twisted, holding like this, watching your thumb, extend, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Down. Knees folded. Relax. Now doing warrior 2. Fold forward. Now I will do a warrior flow like this. Forward. Come to downward dog. Get in position. Right leg forward. Left leg tilted. Raise up like this. 1, 2, 10 of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now holding this position for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hand to the side. This hand up. Watching your thumb carefully. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hand to the back. This hand will up. Watching it carefully. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now extending the leg. Try to hold my ankle. Lift this up like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Coming to warrior 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now going down. Knees folded. Back. Repeating the same with the left leg. Folding forward. Pushing the toes. Now left leg forward, right leg tilted. Come to warrior. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, holding, hand to the side, this hand up, watching it carefully, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hand to the back, hand to the front, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, great job. Now try to hold your ankle, watching it carefully, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, come to warrior, doing 5 of these, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, great job, going down, pushing back, holding, relax. Now I'll do some poses for the lower back. Lay down on the mat. Knees would be, your heels would be just above your knees. Now hands to the side, lift your pelvic up and down like this and down. Okay? Let's do 20 of these. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Now I'll stand up and do some yoga poses for your legs basically. For legs, goddess pose is the best pose. So opening my legs like this, hands forward, sit down, bring them to the side, take them up to forward and get up. Okay? Down, forward, side, up, forward and up. 5 of these we will do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Good. Second. Good. Third. Good. Fourth. Last. Great job. Now, last but not the least, I will do a strong lunge. For that, I will step back a bit. Right foot forward like this. Coming to lunging position, hands like this. Your fingers touching each other and pulse a bit like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Other leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. So this was the all in this video. I hope you have liked this yoga flow. If you have liked this yoga flow, do follow me. Do follow this yoga flow daily in the morning to get the best result. Try to do it empty stomach. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching.